Have you ever asked, why is life so hard? Why does pain come even when we try to do good? Sometimes it feels like no matter how carefully we live, something is still broken. Today's story is about a boy, a mirror, and a truth that might help you see your own heart more clearly than ever before. There was a boy named Arjun. He was about 12 years old, who lived in a simple but loving home. His family didn't have much, but they owned one precious thing, an antique mirror that had been passed down for generations. It stood tall in their living room, framed in carved rosewood, shining in the sun. Arjun's mother used to tell him, "In this mirror, son, you can see who you really are." One afternoon, while his parents were away, Arjun was playing ball indoors. One wild throw, crack! The ball slammed into the mirror. The glass shattered in 1,000 spiderweb cracks. Arjun froze. His heart pounded. Panic gripped him. He tried to press the broken shards back into place. He grabbed tape, cloth, even his school glue, but the glass only cut his hands. Blood welled up between his fingers as he pressed harder and harder. The mirror's edges sliced even deeper. The more he tried to fix it, the worse it became. The mirror was broken, and now, so was he. When his parents came home, they saw their boy with tears running down his cheeks, hands wrapped in cloth, trembling next to the mirror. His mother gasped and ran to hold him. Arjun sobbed, "I tried to fix it, Amma. I tried, but it kept cutting me." The scriptures tell us, all have sinned and fall short of the glory of God. Romans chapter 3, verse 23. And again, your sins have separated you from your God. Isaiah chapter 59, verse 2. Sin is like that broken mirror. No matter how many times we try to fix it ourselves, we cannot make it whole. And in trying, we only wound ourselves more. There is only one who can make shattered hearts whole. Only one who can heal the cuts and restore the reflection. That one is the Creator, the one who formed you in love, the one who sent Jesus to remake what is broken, to give you a new reflection, whole, clean, and healed. If you feel like your life is a shattered mirror, don't hide it. Bring it to Him. He is ready to restore you. This is Stories of the True Light. Join us next time as we walk further on this path of healing, because the one who made you can make you whole again.